In exercise 3.2, the main question, number 4th one. The taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charges. There is the 1 point fixed charges. And together with the charge for the distance covered. So is the distance covered, it means the per kilometer charges under of 1. For a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid rupees of 105. There is one person, the traveling, there is 10 kilometer, that person paid amount of 105 rupees. A person traveling in a city, so that 10 kilometer, that person paid amount of 105 rupees. The first of one equation. And second equation, for journey of 15 kilometer, so is the 15 kilometer second person. Journey to the 15 kilometers, that person paid amount of 155 rupees. That person paid amount of 155 rupees for journey of 15 kilometer. Your question, what are the fixed charges? There is the main fixed charges. One group and charge per kilometer. Charge per kilometer, that is the second question. First question, find the fixed charges and find the charge per kilometer. So is the next half. To continue that question, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? A person traveling in the city, so traveling kilometers of 25 rupees, that person how much rupees paid to the taxi owner? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅವರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ 3.2ರಲ್ಲಿ the taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charges together with the charge for the distance covered. ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಯನ್ನ ಸಿಟಿಯಾಗ ನಾವು ಓಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇವಂದ್ರ ಎರಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಒಂದೇನು ಡಿಸ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗಳೇ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಒಂದು ಪರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಈಸ್ rupees of 105. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡದ, ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಯನ್ನ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಅವ ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿ ಓನರ್ ಏನದಾನಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಲೀಕ ಏನದಾನಲ್ಲ, ಅವನಿಗೆ 105 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಆಫ್ 15 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 155. ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನವ ಅಂದ್ರ 15 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನವ. 15 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ 155 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟವ. ಆ ನಂತರ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದವ್ರು. ಅಂದ್ರ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಆ ನಂತರ ಪರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಂತರ ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡಸ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 25 kilometer? ಸೊ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 25 kilometers in the city, that person how much paid of rupees amount or rupees to the taxi owner? 25 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ 25 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋದವ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋದವ 105 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ. 15 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋದವರು 155 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಇನ್ನು 25 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋದವ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. Yes, okay. So they write that point. in the let the fixed charge rupees of x. The fixed charge, let be the fixed charge in the x rupees. And second question there is per kilometer charge, per km charge. So the rupees of y, rupees of there is y rupees. Fixed charges x rupees. Per kilometer charges y rupees. Yes, your question starting. For a distance, so is therefore that is paid amount of 105 rupees. That is the first of one equation. There is. So therefore, a person traveling for 10 kilometer, a person kilometer. So is the paid amount, that person paid amount 105 rupees. So is the 105 rupees. A person traveling for 10 kilometer, that paid amount of 105 rupees, but there is including of fixed charges. Yes, okay. Fixed charges and next one is the kilometer charges. So is the fixed charges rupees of x and plus next one is that person traveling 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer it means 10 into y. 10 into y. So is the 10y equal paid amount 105 rupees. 105 rupees. That is equation number of 1. Yes, okay. Write it the equation. For journey of 15 kilometer, the charge paid amount of 155 rupees. So is the a person traveling for distance of 15 kilometer, that person paid amount 155. So therefore that of equation fixed charges x plus traveling 15 kilometer 15y, the paid amount 155 rupees. That is called of second equation. So is the first of equation x plus 10y equal to 105 rupees. Second equation x plus 15y equal to 155. There are two equations. So is therefore x plus 10y equal to 105 and second equation x plus 15y equal to 155 to the first of equation, that is second equation. X plus 10y equal to 105, equation number 1. X plus 15y equal to 155, equation number 2. Take that any one of the equation. So first of you selected x plus 15y equal to 155. The solution method of substitution method, not elimination method, substitution method. So x equal to 155 plus 15y equal to minus 15y. That equation x equal to 155 minus 15y. Substitute in equation number 1. The equation number 1 of x plus 10y equal to 105. There is the x value of 155 minus 15y. Therefore, x the 155 minus 15y, x value 155 minus 15y, that is the x value. Remaining there is plus 10y, so is continue plus 10y equal to 105. Next 155 minus 15 plus 10, the answer of minus 5y, because minus large number, small number 10, so is the minus 15 minus plus 10, the answer of minus 5y equal to 105. So is 155 remaining the same place, 105 to the transfer LHS side, so is the minus 105, and minus 5y, that is negative, so is the change of positive to the transfer plus 5y. There is 5y equal to 155 minus 105, so is the answer of 50. You find the y value, so is the find you y value, y equal to 50 by 5, 5 ones are 5 tens are, y equal to 10 rupees. Y is denoted for the per kilometer charges, and you find the x value, so is the x of x equal to 155 minus 15y, so x equal to 155 minus 15 into 10, because y equal to 10, so is the 10. X equal to 155 minus 15 tens are 15 ones are 15, so is 0, 150. X equal to 155 for minus 150, the answer of 5, so is x equal to 5 rupees. X is a fixed charges, therefore write that point, fixed charge rupees of 5, and per kilometer charge rupees of 10 rupees, so is the 10 rupees. Therefore, last of your question, that person traveling by the 20 kilometer or 25 kilometer, 25 kilometer, a person traveling 25 kilometer, so is therefore x plus 25y, because x is a fixed charges, 25 kilometer, y is denoted by the per kilometer, x, the rupees of x of 5 plus 25 into per kilometer charges 10, so is 5 plus 25 ones are 25, so is the 0, 250, final 250 plus 5, 255 rupees paid amount. Is clear, understand? Right. 3.2, number 5th one question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11. One of the fraction, that fractions is to the becomes or to the change of 9 by 11. The 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. So is the one of part numerator, second part denominator. So two parts, 2 is added or 2 is to the plus that numerator and to the denominator. That time the fraction of 9 by 11. The first of 1 point. or first equation, if that fraction 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, that time the fractions of to the change are to becomes 5 by 6. Your fraction is one of the your fraction, 2 is added to the numerator and the denominator, the fractions is 9 by 11. And so is the same of fraction, that fractions added to the numerators and the denominators 3. So that time that fraction becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction, that fractions starting. So let the fraction is x upon y. That fraction I don't know, so is the don't know what is that fractions, therefore you take that, let the fraction x upon y. The first of 1, 2 is added the both of numerators and denominator, 2 added given to the both of numerators and the denominator. So is therefore your fraction is x upon y, numerator x, denominator y, added 2. So is therefore x plus 2 and y plus 2, y plus there is 2. That time the fractions become 9 by 11. So is therefore equal to 9 by 11. Therefore, there is the cross multiply, equation number 1 of the cross multiply CM. So 11x plus 2, there is 11x plus 2 and equal to 9y plus 2, 9y plus 2. So therefore 11 into x, 11x plus 11 2s are 22 equal to 9y plus 9 2s are 18. And so therefore 11x plus, so is the transfer plus 9y is to the minus 9y and 18 is in the same place, plus 22 transfer minus 22. So is therefore 11x and minus 9y, there is plus 22 minus 22 plus 18, the answer of minus 4. That is equation number of 1. Any doubt of equation number 1? 2 added numerators and the denominator, that fractions becomes of 9 by 11. So is the 9 by 11. Cross multiply 11 into x plus 2, 9 into y plus 2. So is the 11 into x plus 2 equal to 9 into y plus 2. So is the 11 into x, 11x, 11 2s are 22 equal to same 9 into y, 9y, 9 2s are 18. 11x to the transfer plus 9y to the minus 9y. 18 is the same place, plus 22 to the transfer minus 22. 11x minus 9y to the same of. So is therefore minus 22 plus 18, answer of minus 4. Is clear? The first of one equation. And the second equation to the continue, there is the second of equation. 3 is added. So is the 3 is added numerators and the denominators. That time the fraction of change to the 5 by 6. So therefore your equation is x upon y. There is added of number 3 and plus 3. That equation to the change of 5 by 6. 5 upon 6. So there CM. CM it means cross multiply 6 into x plus 3. 6x plus 3 equal to 5y plus 3. So 6 into x, 6x, 6 3s are 18, 5 into y, 5y, 5 3s are 15. So therefore 6x plus 5y is the minus 5y, 15 is the same of place, plus 18 to the transfer minus 18, 6x plus minus 5y equal to minus 18 plus 15. So is the answer of minus 3. that is called the second equation. Yes, is there any doubt? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಭಿನ್ನ ರಾಶಿ ಯಾವ್ದ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದೇವಂದ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ವಾಯ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದೇವ್ ನಾವು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ವಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ಅವರು ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು. ಎದಕ್ಕ? ನ್ಯೂಮಿರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅಂಶ ಮತ್ತು ಛೇದಗಳದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕ ಎರಡನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿದಾಗ 2 is added or 2 added to the numerator and the denominator. ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಮಿರೇಟರ್, ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್, ಇದು ಅಂಶ, ಇದು ಛೇದ. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿವಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಆ ಭಿನ್ನ ರಾಶಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರವ್ರು? 9/11 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರವ್ರು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ ಬಳಕ ಇದು 11ರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗುಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, 9ರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗುಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಓರೆ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ 11 into x plus 2, 11 into x plus 2, 9y plus 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. 11 into x, 11x, 11 2s 22, 11 into x, 11x, 11 22 equal to 9 into y, 9y, 9 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 18. 11x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9y ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ -9y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 18 ಅದೇ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿದ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 22 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, -22 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 11x ಮೈನಸ್ 9y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 22ರಲ್ಲಿ 18 ಕಳೆದಾಗ -4, ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಇನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ 3 is added to both the numerators and the denominators. That time the fraction of change 5/6 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ. 3 is added that fractions, so is therefore x upon y your fraction plus 3 and plus 3. So is the numerator and denominator. ಅಂಶ ಮತ್ತು ಛೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ ಭಿನ್ನ ರಾಶಿ 5/6 ಆಯ್ತು. ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ 6ರಿಂದ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3ಕ್ಕ 5ರಿಂದ y ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3ಕ್ಕ ಗುಣಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 6 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ 6x, 6 3 18 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 5 ಇಂಟು y 5y, 5 3 15. ಆ ನಂತರ 6x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5y ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, -5y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 15 ಇದ್ದ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 18 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, -18 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 6x ಮೈನಸ್ 5y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -3 ಅಂತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಎರಡನೇ ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಅಂತ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 11x minus 9y equal to -4 to the first half equation. 6x minus 5y equal to -3, that is second equation. So is the take off any one equations first time solution to the 11x minus 9y equal to -4, that is the first half one equation. So is the 11x minus 4 minus 9y is the plus 9y. Find the x value. X equal to -4 plus 9y divided by 11. That equation substitute in equation number 2 because that is the equation number first. So is the remaining that equation of 1, 6x minus 5y equal to -3. So there is equation number 2. Equation number, so is the second. There is 6x minus 5y equal to -3. There is 6, so is x value -4 and plus 9y divided by 11 and minus 5y equal to -3. 6 into 4 plus into minus minus 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24 plus 6 9s are 54 y. Next, so is the 11 minus 5y equal to -3. So is next of there. The LCM of, take the LCM of 1. 11 into 1 is the 11. So is the 11. 11 1s are, there is 11 1s are and 1 11s are. Minus 24 plus 54y into 1 is the same. Minus 24 plus 54y, 54y. And minus there is 5 into 11. 5 into 11 is the 55y. 55y. So is the denominator or LCM 11 and equal to minus 3, equal to minus 3, minus 24 minus 55 plus 55, the answer of minus 5, because minus 55 large number, 54 is the plus, so is the answer of minus 5 divided by 11, denominator or LCM 11, remaining minus 3. So is therefore minus 24 minus y equal to plus minus cross multiply. So is the CM plus minus 11 3s are 33 and minus 24 minus 33. So is the plus 33 equal minus y is the plus y. So is the y equal to 33 minus 24. The answer of, what is the answer? 33 minus 24. 33 minus 24. So is the 13 minus 4 is the 9330. What is the answer? 9. 9. Y equal to value of 9. Yes, you find the answer of x. What is the value of x? Only y is the 9, but x is the answer. What is the x value? So is therefore x equal to minus 4 plus 9y and 11, LCM of 11. So is the 11 divided by the 11. There is y equal to 9. Fill or substitute in that equation. X minus 4 plus 9. There is 9 and by 11. X equal to minus 4 plus 9 9 81. 81 by 11 and final. So is x equal to 81 minus 4. 81 minus 4, 77. So is the 77 plus 77. 77 of 4 is the 81. So is the 81 minus 4 is 77 by 11. 11. X equal to 11 1s 11 7s. X value of 7. So is the your fraction. So is the x upon y. Therefore the x of 7 and y is 9. That fraction of 7 by 9. Okay. Last question in exercise 3.2. Number 6th one. 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So is the one of son, first person of Jacob. 2 persons is there, son and Jacob. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. So you find what are their present age. There is the first half. ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರು ಅಂದ್ರ 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ಅಂದ್ರ 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ ಅವ್ರ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾರ್ದು ಜಾಕೋಬ್. ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಸನ್, ಮಗನ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ 3ರಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. 5 years ago, ಎಗೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕ, 5 years ago ಜಾಕೋಬ್ಸ್ ಏಜ್ ವಾಸ್ 7 times. ಜಾಕೋಬನ ಏಜ್ 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಗನ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ 7ರಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರು, ಮಗನ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ 7ರಷ್ಟು. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಈಗಿನ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ. ಈಗಿನ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರ ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾಕೋಬ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾಕೋಬ್. ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ದ x years and the present age of his son. Present age of his son. So is therefore y years. Therefore 5 years hence. 5 years given question. 5 years hence Jacob is. So is the x plus 5 and 5 years hence his son is y plus 5. So is given next of 3 times. There is 3 times given in the questions. 3 times there is equivalent of the first of x plus 5 father is x plus 5 equal the son is of y plus 5. The balance equal is 3 times. That is father says, so is the son is multiply of the 3 because 3 times there is x plus 5 equal to 3y plus 3 5s are 15. X minus 3y 15 plus y is plus 5 is the minus 5. So is the x minus 3y equal to 15 minus 5 is the 10. That is equation number 2nd. Jacob is, so is x minus 5. After 5 years, his son is y minus 5. So is the given 7 times is the questions of 7 times. So is therefore 7 times it means the father is x minus 5 equal to the son is y minus 5. 7 times multiply of the son is. So therefore x minus 5 equal to 7y minus 7 5s are 35. There is x minus 7y minus 35 and minus 5 is the plus 5. So therefore there is x minus 7y equal to minus 35 plus 5 is the minus 30. That is equation number 2nd. The first of one equation, there is x minus 3y equal to 10, x minus 7y equal to minus 30. So is the second equation. The first of one equation selected x minus 3y equal to 10, x equal to 10 minus 3y is the plus 3y. That equation fill in the or substitute in the equation number 2nd. So is the equation number 2nd. X minus 7y equal to minus 30. There is x value of 10 plus 3y minus 7y equal to minus 30. 10 minus 7y plus 3y, so is the minus 4y equal to minus 30. Next of 10 is the same of place, minus 30 to the transfer plus 30 and minus 4y to the plus 4y. 4y equal to 10 plus 30, 40. Y equal to 40 divided by 4, 4 1s are 4 10s are. Y equal to 10. Y is denoted by the his son is. And find the x value. So is the x equal to 10 plus 3y. X equal to 10 plus 3y value of 10. So is that 10. x equal to 10 plus 3 10s are 30. X equal to 10 plus 30, 40. That is the age of father. So therefore, last final, write that the answer. Father is to the 40 years. 40 years. His son is so is the 10 years. Write it the final answer.